Today is April 27th, 2019, and it's about 10:27 a.m. Mountain Time. So far, what I got here, this orange spool, is the release tie string to the fetch it tool. This right here with the channel lock plier is clamped to the fetch it tool and spindle, and then I got the borehole camera right here. And then this 1/16 wire is where my second custom tool is holding the electric wire up. So we got the orange and the fetch it tool and the borehole camera, these three spindles, down about 246 feet. And then the problem happened. The orange string had went down a little slightly past the fetch it tool and got wrapped around it, which was okay for a moment. And then as we got down to 230 feet, no, it was about 240 feet, the electric wire was still like that inside the pipe. Like a big Z all in there. So there's about almost 25 more feet that needs to be stretched out, and I have to carefully hook this to the forklift. I'm going to use some steel cable clamps, and I'm going to lift it just slightly a little bit, and I'm going to try to work out the fetch it tool, the borehole camera, and the orange string, and try to get my equipment out of there. So we started to have problems with the borehole camera malfunctioning again. It's a nice device. It's right here. I've already resoldered the wires, but the wires that are inside this little boot that are coming out are just way too skinny. And so I'm probably going to have to remanufacture their product and rewire it and put thicker wires that come out. So that way when you spindle it, it won't, the little thin, tiny wires inside there won't just snap and break anymore. So far, the second custom tool that I have fabricated, it has successfully held up everything for about 5, almost 7 days now. It was on April 20th when I invented the tool, and it's held up this wire for a good amount of time now. I'm gonna try to lift the tip of the wire out of the steel casing with that tool. Now, if I would have made the tool out of just slightly thicker metal, I would have no concerns. Another concern I have is that it's still 1/16 aviation style wire, a 7x7 style wire rope. It says it's rated for 480 pounds. You can exceed about 20% of it. If this water well pump is stuck in some mud, I'll just carefully lift with the forklift. It is April 27th, 2019. It is about 12:05 p.m. Mountain Time, and I have successfully used my second custom fabrication tool to pull the end of the wire out of the tip of the water well from 70 feet all the way up to 0 point out of the water well. This water well wire have fallen down all the way to 152 feet, and as you can tell, everything got pretty tangled up inside there. I guess I got a little hung. So, all right. This is the end of the wire, and right here, I caught the wire. My tool held on, and it got double looped on there. So, wow. I'll be looking forward to putting my little wire catcher tool to work more often, hopefully worldwide.